Hey curl queens, my name is Rachel. I am a curly hair specialist based in New York. And today I'm going to be taking you through a curly haircut. Your curly hair is unique to you. And it's such an amazing and beautiful part of you. And you should totally embrace that and wear it confidently. And that's where a curly haircut comes in. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get to watch how I get her to go from this to this. After you're done watching this video, hopefully you will feel more confident in going out and getting your curly haircut after you've seen how the curly haircut is done on dry hair. And then we wash the hair, set the curls, and then check the cut afterwards and cut a little more of the pieces that don't fit the puzzle. So first, let's go over some ground rules. When you come in for your curly haircut, I want you to feel comfortable asking me any question. No question is dumb. Curly hair is completely different than straight hair, and it deserves a lot of love and care. Second thing is, I'm going to ask you a few questions just to get an understanding of what your curly hair routine looks like. This way I can help you with some tips and some tricks that will help you along your curly hair journey. The third thing is, I want you to feel comfortable with me, so I will never cut anything that you have not approved me to cut. So if you're afraid of cutting off a lot of length, which I completely understand my curly girls usually are, especially the first appointment, trust me, you are in safe hands. Lastly, it's important that you come in with your curl pattern in its natural form. So I love it if you can come in with your hair clean, detangled, and just free bouncing curls. No ponytails, no buns. I need to see your beautiful curls as they are. Okay, whew. I did a lot of talking so far. And hopefully by this point, you get an understanding of my passion for curls and my passion for helping you feel your best when you wear your curls. Your curls are such a beautiful statement, and it's totally amazing that you have the best of both worlds. You can wear your hair curly or straight, but there is a way to take care of the curls, and that is what I'm here for. I'm here to guide you and make sure that your curls are safe and healthy. Okay, so far you've seen a lot of the curly haircut process, and I do cut the curly hair dry. And for many reasons, it's because I can see your curl pattern. It's totally normal to have multiple curl patterns on one head. So that's one of the main reasons why you should get a curly haircut. For my curly girls that have gotten a regular haircut while your hair was wet, and then you got a blowout afterwards and you feel amazing, but then you go back curly and things are just not right, this cut is for you. Okay, enough about the cut. Let's get into washing. So it's really important that you wash your hair, wash your curly hair, but you shouldn't wash your curly hair every single day. Yes, I'm going to say it again. You should not have to wash your curly hair every single day. Now, there are some instances where you can break the rules, and depending on your lifestyle, when you come to see me, we can have that conversation. Okay, so for her shampoo, we're going to be using the Nutricurls line from Wella. We're going to use the shampoo and conditioner. A few things to notice that I'm doing is making sure that the shampoo is in the scalp area. I want to make sure that her scalp is clean. Another thing to notice is that I'm keeping the curls in the sink. I'm leaving them hanging down. I'm not grabbing them and taking them up to the scalp and scrubbing her hair in a bowl of shampoo. That will create more knots in her curls. So keep the hair neat and down. Just get your hands into the scalp and scrub the scalp. No need to scrub the curls. I hope that made sense, and I'm really sure that that tip is going to help you with your detangle process. Okay, now let's get to detangling. I'm definitely using water and conditioner. I do have a wet brush. You can use a wide tooth comb, you can use your hands, whatever your heart's desire. But you should not be ripping through the hair. The brush should just be gliding through nice and easy. If your brush is getting stuck at the ends, it's time for you to get a curly haircut. At this point, my client's hair has been completely detangled, and now we have moved on to the styling stage. There are many different ways to style curly hair, and it really depends on your curl pattern and your hair goals. So you may be styling your hair where you're scrunching product up, and some curls will pull the product down. Alright, so let's get to the drying part. So there's a few ways that you can go about drying your hair. One way is to let it air dry naturally. No hot tool needed. Really good for the summertime, nice and easy. Maybe not so much for the winter. The second option is to use a hooded dryer, which will circulate the heat around your curls. And the third option is to purchase a diffuser that you attach to your blow dryer. And this way you control where the heat goes. I hope that tip was helpful, and there is definitely a way to elaborate on that topic, maybe in a later video. Okay guys, we are at the home stretch of this video and this curly haircut. I've given out a lot of information and I hope that they are helpful, and if they are, please take a moment and just leave me a message at the bottom in the comment section. Any questions at the bottom in the comment section. Now that her hair is completely dry, I can go in and refine the shape that we have created, cutting out any pieces that do not belong anymore. Now this is her day 1 hair, and she likes a lot of volume, so by day 2 and 3 her hair is going to be really nice and big with the shape that we cut into it. And if you're a curly girl, you know what day 1 hair looks like. And if you're a curly girl, you know what the tail is, and that's what I'm cutting out right now for her. I usually recommend my curly girls come to see me every 3 to 4 months for a cut. Not once a year, that's way too long. Your hair probably is not going to hold the proper moisture if you're not getting a regular haircut. So a few common curly hair issues that I know my girls have to deal with and can totally get some help with is frizz, dryness, lack of shape with the haircut, moisture, treatments, and the list can go on and on. So it's really important that you go and see your curly hair specialist, because they're going to really help you get an understanding of your hair and make you feel the most confident. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to meet you and your curls. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.